And if you like travel in Canada and all around the world, if you like exploring and learning about new places, it looks lively, exciting. Quite peaceful, to be honest. So there you go, everyone. The Devil's Punchbowl Waterfall. Devil's Punchbowl Conservation Area? That's a very, very unique name. We gotta find out where this Devil's Punchbowl is. So join me on another fun-filled adventure to a strange waterfall location in Ontario, Canada. Let's go! And if you've been following this channel for a while, you know that I make fun-filled adventure trips / lifestyle vlogs on this particular channel. Try and cover things that you don't see on other channels. So if you haven't done that already, make sure to hit that subscribe button so that I keep on creating excellent vlogs like this for you. And let me know in the comments what you think of this vlog. All right, let's go. Okay, we're finally here, and what we did was you got to come here and make sure you get one of these tickets right here. Just punch one right in, and you get your parking for the whole day. So yeah, we are at Devil's Punchbowl. Devil's Punchbowl is about an $8 parking permit for the day, and we're good to go. All right, let me pop this in right here, and not too many cars here today. Looks quite serene and peaceful. All right, let me pop this in right here. And not too many cars here today. Looks quite serene and peaceful. So some things to know about Devil's Punchbowl Conservation Area. It is located not too far. It's pretty much in Hamilton, which is a major city in Ontario, Canada. And the weather is beautiful today. And Devil's Punchbowl area is definitely one of those cool places that you need to visit in Ontario, Canada. So I'm almost there. Let's see what we have in store. There you go, guys. This is one of the spots here, and there is a waterfall somewhere down there, and that's what we're going to try and find out. It's where that waterfall is, but you can see really cool views here of Hamilton. You could definitely see Lake Ontario in the back right there, and just beautiful, gorgeous views right here. Earlier point that we were, which was right, so we were right here, and the earlier point we were at, that you saw that view of the valley and the city of Hamilton was right there. Now we're gonna go closer to this waterfall right here, and that is the Devil's Punchbowl waterfall. So let's go and check it out. Oh wow, here's that shot. I don't know if you could see the waterfall right there. And there you go, that's the Devil's Punchbowl. big gaping hole right there. And as you know, we can't do closer than rightfully so, but that's the beauty of this particular place. Let me try and see if I can get some good angles. So this is the closest I can get to the Devil's Punchbowl Conservation Area, and look at that waterfall right there. Isn't that gorgeous? Looks lively, exciting. Quite peaceful, to be honest. So there you go, everyone. The Devil's Punchbowl Waterfall right here in Ontario, Canada. Another interesting site to explore. Another adventure. Barriers here so people don't go over, because that's just freaking dangerous. But hey, that's the point. That's the waterfall, or the start of the waterfall for Devil's Punchbowl, and really cool views of the city in the back as well. Right there, as you can see, it is looking very, very nice. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed our trip to Devil's Punchbowl. I kept calling it Punchhole, but it's Punchbowl. And if you like travel in Canada and all around the world, if you like exploring and learning about new places and cities and cultures, well, you gotta subscribe to this channel, and I promise to bring you the best and the most unique raw content. Need your support, guys. Hit that subscribe button if you like this video, and let me know in the comments what you thought of Devil's Punchbowl. Until next time, bye-bye from Canadian. See ya!